Hello and welcome to Modern Home Chef. Today I'm making KFC chap. So let's look at the ingredients required for it. I have taken 1 packet of chap. This is soya chap. For the slurry, I have taken water and 1 cup of maida. Cornflakes for coating. Curd for the marination. Salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, turmeric powder, pepper, kasuri methi, garam masala, juice of half lime. We're going to marinate the chap. I have slitted the chap like this. Now I'm going to marinate it. Let's start with the marination first. For that, I'm going to put half the quantity of ginger garlic paste which we made, half the quantity of salt, coriander powder, turmeric powder, pepper. I'm not going to use the whole amount of pepper, dry kasuri methi, and garam masala. We're going to put rest of the ingredients for the coating slurry. In this, I'm going to squeeze juice of half lemon and I'm going to add my curd into it and mix it all well. You can add in red chili powder or other additional spices. I'm keeping it very simple. Now I'm going to fill in the slits with this mixture and I'm going to coat all my chap. First of all, this was the frozen chap, so I just thawed it in hot water for half an hour and squeeze the excess amount of water in it. You can keep it in the freezer for 30 minutes if you have time, or you can just marinate it and quickly make it. My slurry mixture is ready. My marinated chap is ready. Now for the coating, I have crushed my cornflakes. To this, I'm going to add in half the bowl of breadcrumbs and a teaspoon of chaat masala. Now let's start coating the chap. Take your marinated chap, dip it in the slurry mixture nicely, and then dip it in the cornflakes mixture. Press it nicely and keep it aside.
I have kept my chap to set. In the meanwhile, let's prepare a dip. For that, I've taken 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of barbecue sauce, half teaspoon of garlic powder. You can use crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of dry onion paste. You can even use chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of Chinese seasoning. You can use seasoning of your choice, and 3 teaspoons of sweet chili sauce. You can even use tomato ketchup or chili sauce for it. Mix it well, keep it aside to cool down, and serve it cold with the chap.
My chap is nice and cold and set to fry, so let's fry it. Press your chap nicely before adding it into the oil so that all the cornflakes and breadcrumbs stick nicely. So now let's deep fry it. Fry it on a medium-low flame until it gets golden brown. You can even air fry it or even bake it in the oven if you want to. And my chap has become nicely golden brown and ready to serve.